On Friday, 14th March 2025, Turkish Aerospace Pakistan successfully conducted the maiden autonomous flight of its indigenously developed technology demonstrator, Iqbal. The 6 minute long flight marks a significant milestone in the advancement of aerospace technology and reflects the strong defense partnership between Pakistan and Turkey. Iqbal is named after Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, Pakistan's national poet, who held the Turkish nation in high esteem and admired their passion for liberty. The technology demonstrator is a 1-to-7 dynamically scaled version of the Kaan, the fifth-generation fighter jet developed by Turkish Aerospace. Developed entirely by a team of highly skilled young engineers at Turkish Aerospace Pakistan, the Iqbal technology demonstrator serves as a test bed for various advanced aerospace technologies. It is expected to play a key role in the technological evolution of Kaan, enhancing next-generation fighter capabilities. The successful maiden flight highlights the engineering expertise and innovation at Turkish Aerospace Pakistan. The insights gained from Iqbal's development and flight performance will contribute to refining Kaan's design and operational efficiency. This achievement symbolizes the long-standing strategic and defense cooperation between Pakistan and Turkey. Turkish Aerospace, Pakistan's success with the Iqbal technology demonstrator underscores the strength of the bilateral relationship and the shared commitment to technological advancement. Some of the key ongoing defense projects between Pakistan and Turkey include Milgem Corvette Program. Turkey is building 4 Milgem-class corvettes for the Pakistan Navy, enhancing Pakistan's naval capabilities. Kaan fighter jet collaboration. Pakistan and Turkey are exploring joint development and technological exchange for the fifth-generation Kaan fighter jet. UAVs. Turkey has supplied Bayraktar TB2 and Bayraktar Akinci drones to Pakistan to improve its unmanned aerial capabilities. Submarine modernization. Turkey is assisting Pakistan in the modernization of its submarine fleet under a defense cooperation agreement.